Ever feel like you're stuck in an endless cycle of watching tutorial after tutorial but never making any real progress? You're not alone. This is what we call tutorial hell, and believe me, it can feel like you're trapped. But what if I told you there's a way out? Hey, I'm Dominion. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be helping you escape tutorial hell, a frustrating cycle where so many developers get stuck. If you are watching this, chances are you have spent countless hours following along with videos or online courses, but when it comes time to build something on your own, nothing seems to click. I guess that sounds familiar. Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you practical steps to break free, build real skills, and start developing projects on your own. So, what exactly is tutorial hell? This is when you are constantly jumping from one tutorial to the next, thinking you are learning, but in reality, you are not able to apply what you have learned to your own code. You follow along step by step and everything makes sense until you try it solo. It just feels like you are copying what someone else is doing, but when you are faced with a blank text editor, suddenly you are stuck. So why do we get stuck in this loop? It's because tutorials are comfortable. When you follow along, it feels like you're succeeding. There's no risk of failure, no real thinking involved. But this is an illusion of progress. You are not truly understanding the problem-solving process, you're just mimicking it. Imagine trying to learn how to ride a bike by just watching someone else pedal. Until you actually get on the bike, you won't feel what it's like to balance on your own. Okay, now, it's time for what I promised. The antidote to tutorial hell is build, break, and learn. This is a 3-step process designed to get you out of the circle of endless tutorials, so let's break it down. The first one is build something small. Start with a small project, pick something simple, something manageable. It doesn't have to be revolutionary, it just needs to be something you can complete, like a to-do list app, a weather checker, or even a personal blog. The key here is to build something you care about, something that motivates you. Once you've built it, this is where it gets fun. Break it, mess up your own code, change values, delete functions, try adding new features. This is the step where real learning happens. By forcing yourself to troubleshoot and fix the issues you create, you are gaining a deeper understanding of how the code actually works. Finally, as you are breaking and fixing things, resist the urge to go back to tutorials for every little problem. Instead, search for solutions on Google, Stack Overflow, or in documentations. This is where you learn how to solve problems independently, and trust me, this is an invaluable skill. So, here's why projects are so powerful. They force you to apply what you already know in new ways. When you build your own project, you are not just following someone else's steps, you are solving problems in real time. Plus, having finished projects to showcase is a huge advantage, whether you are looking to get hired or build your own business. Think about it, tutorials, online courses, they don't prove you are a capable developer. Projects do. A portfolio of finished projects demonstrates that you can not only code but think critically and solve problems. So, if you are ready to escape tutorial hell, remember this. Build, break, and learn. Start with small projects, experiment and fail, and always keep pushing yourself to learn through solving problems. It might be uncomfortable at first, but that's exactly how you grow as a developer. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should abandon tutorials forever. They are great for learning new concepts or tools, but don't let them become a crutch. Use them as stepping stones to start a project, but always aim to transition to building your own solutions as quickly as possible. The key here is to find balance. Tutorials are useful, but they shouldn't be your primary mode of learning. Okay guys, this will be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell notification for more content just like this. And if you've got any strategies for breaking free from tutorial hell or any video you want me to do next, just share them in the comment section and I'd love to hear from you. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Good luck on your next project. I'll see you in the next one and stay blessed.